Good morning, everyone. Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Happy Monday! If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back. You know I am super excited to see you back. You all, welcome to Monday Motivational Moments with Pandi. I am going to be sharing some inspiration with you to help you get your week off to a great start, a positive start, and give you some morning motivation. So today I'm going to be reading from my 365 Days of Prayer for Women book, and I hope that the topic actually inspires you and encourages you throughout your week. So, this topic is actually taken from the Bible, and we are in the book of Hebrews, chapter 11, verse 3. It reads, "It is by faith we understand that the whole world was made by God's command. So what we see was made by something that cannot be seen." Today's prayer and reading states as such: God, I can't prove you are real, but I have more faith in you than everything I can prove. I've read your word, heard of miracles, and even felt your healing love, but I don't have physical evidence. I couldn't prove your existence in a court of law. Still, I know what I know. That's why it's called faith, right? If you wanted everyone to know without any room for choice, I imagine you'd just come blazing out of the sky and tell us. That sounds thrilling, actually, and I hope I'm there to witness it when you do. But in the meantime, I'm choosing to take you at your word. And the title of today's reading, you all, is At Your Word. Have you chosen to take God at His word and believe that He is? I want to thank you all again for taking a moment to visit my channel on today. I hope that you have found today's reading enjoyable, motivating, and encouraging. If you find that you enjoy this type of content, please feel free to hit the like button, or as I like to say, blow dry on the like button for me, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free 99. It does not cost you anything. In the meantime, guys, you all stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye. Good morning, everyone. Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Happy Monday.